In today's episode, we are thrilled to welcome Janie Frampton, OBE Leadership and Inclusion Speaker, Team U Development, and Executive Chair, Find My Kit.
My key business is Team U Development, which is a social enterprise, and we work really hard delivering skills to particularly children and young people. We provide lots of different programs around soft skills, social skills, employability skills, with the hope that it will help young people make positive life choices.
I have great curiosity. Like, how come you become a one of the female referee?
My biggest barrier would be my gender. I was very naive then to realise that was the case. Football didn't want us as women, they didn't know what to do with us. So it was quite a challenge to actually become a successful woman referee in football and then transfer those skills into my professional world. It's very well researched that men will appoint in their own likeness, people like them, who think like them, necessarily look like them, which is why we get most of the leaders, we have in business and industry are white men. So we're trying to change that narrative that says, actually, we have to be inclusive here. And we all bring something completely different to the role. So that is what we work really hard to do. And I've had some great success stories across sport and industry of actually achieving that.
In this world, being a neurodivergent person, I know how critical it is, and where you go everywhere is just a practice of tick boxes. We don't want tick boxes. We want you to assess right people for right job. Doesn't matter their disability, race, ethnicity, gender, they will get right proportion, isn't it?
And that's exactly right. That's what we all want. None of us want to be elevated to a role that we are not qualified or experienced to do. And why they make such a big positive difference in your executive teams, your leadership teams, and in your organization. And it really makes sense because all the time you get people who look like you, think like you, speak like you, then you're not going to get different ideas. But once you expand that and you get people who do think differently, that's when you're going to be a creative organization and your productivity will rise because research has shown that.
You know how to change them. Like if I give your example, like, okay, sports from your heart. So when you're going to be implementing sports related activities, you know what you're doing.